pouring a 24 by 24 garage slab DIY. Let's go through the important details. First, pouring a 24 by 24 garage slab DIY. Quick answer: garage floor coatings, epoxy 3 to 7 per square foot DIY, polyurea 8 to 15 per square foot, or paint 1 to 2 per square foot. Epoxy is most popular. Prep work determines success. Regarding pouring a 24 by 24 garage slab DIY, planning guide: pouring a 24 by 24 garage slab, 576 square feet, solo requires planning. Divide into 4 quadrants if doing it solo. Use expansion joints. You cannot finish 576 square feet alone fast enough. Understanding these requirements prevents failure. On the problem: too large for solo work, 576 square feet is too large. Additionally, can't finish fast enough, concrete sets faster than one person can finish. Need help or divide: need multiple workers or divide into sections. Moving to solution: divide into 4 quadrants. 12 by 12 each quadrant is 12 by 12 feet, 144 square feet. Additionally, manageable size, can finish each section in time. Work one at a time, pour and finish 1 quadrant at a time. Next, use expansion joints. Expansion joints are essential. Additionally, allow movement, allow sections to move independently. Prevent cracking, prevent cracks at boundaries. Regarding construction process: pour first, pour and finish first quadrant. Additionally, install joints, install expansion joints between sections. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.